In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the MSN homepage in Microsoft Edge in just a few easy steps. This is a super useful tip if Edge keeps opening MSN when you start your browser and you want a different homepage or startup page instead. Whether you want Google, your favorite website, or a custom page, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can update it quickly and confidently. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can control how Edge behaves when it opens, including your home page, startup pages, and new tab options. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click Start, Home, and New Tabs. This section controls what appears when Edge launches and what happens when you open a new tab. Now, look under the section labeled When Edge Starts. Here, you'll want to choose Open these pages. This option lets you set exactly which websites open whenever you launch Edge. After selecting that option, you should see the MSN page listed there. To remove it, click the three dots next to the MSN link and then select Delete. This clears MSN from your startup list so it no longer opens automatically. Next, if you want to replace it with a different homepage, click Add a new page. A box will appear where you can type the website address you want to use instead. For example, you can enter http://google.com or any other website you prefer. After typing the address, click Add to save it. At this point, your new page should now appear in the startup list, and Edge will open that page instead of MSN the next time you launch the browser. If you want, you can also come back to this same settings area later and change it again anytime. That's the great part about Edge settings. They're easy to update whenever your preferences change. And just to recap, the main steps were opening settings, going to Start, Home, and New tabs, choosing Open these pages, deleting MSN, and adding your new page address. That's all it takes to change the MSN homepage in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.